This is a continuation of 14-7 linear translations. These are not domino problems. They are all based off of this. Go back to this equation. So what would be the slope of a line parallel? So first I need to find out what my slope is. So there's my linear equation and slope-intercept. So my slope that's parallel would be 3. What would be the slope line perpendicular? Again, go back to the original equation. My perpendicular slope would be -1/3. If write the equation, if the line is moved up to, I'm at 4, I need to move it up. So it's y equals 3x plus 4 plus 2, or y equals 3x plus 6. Down 5 would be y equals 3x plus 4 minus 5, y equals 3x minus 1. Right 4, right is in parentheses, y equals 3 times x minus 4 plus 4. Leave it like that so I can see that you moved it right. Moved left, y equals 3 times x plus 6 plus 4. Leave it like that so I know that you made a left movement. So the next assignment is you are going to take linear equations and you're going to move them left, right, up, and down.